Hi, hello everyone. Today we will see the case study on Wilspin solar power plant. In this power plant, almost 150 megawatt of energy is produced per day. It is like green energy because there is no CO2 production in the system, right? So we will see how the system is working, and then we can compare with solar thermal power plant also. Right, let's see one by one. Wilspin solar power plant. It is the overview of the solar panel which was placed in the Madhya Pradesh. Right. Say listen. From the sun, almost 174 metawatts of solar radiation is coming from the earth to the upper atmosphere, right? Approximately almost 30% is reflected back to the space, while the remaining is absorbed by clouds, ozone and masses. So per year, almost solar energy absorbed by earth is almost 38,50,000 exajoules. It is per year. And also photosynthesis will occur. It is around 3,000 exajoules per year in biomass. So for biomass production, 100 to 300 exajoules per year is which it is utilized, the sun energy. So then solar we can classify into two types, that is passive and active solar, depending upon the way of capture, convert and distribute the solar energy. So listen, for active is nothing but the use of photovoltaic panels and solar thermal connectors to harness the energy. So it is an active method. Another one is passive method. In passive method, orienting the building to sun, selecting material which favorable thermal masses or light dispersing properties. This is the active and passive building. So the solar panel, PV panels comes under active solar panel, right? Okay. So there is a Wilspin solar power plant. They have a power generator, and then inspection unit is also placed there itself. Yes. What are the factors we need to know about the plant? Say it is located in the Neemuch district of Madhya Pradesh. Currently one of the largest solar power plant in Asia, fully functioning and delivering. Right. It is spread around 800 acres of barren and uncultivated land. The cost of the plant is around 180 million of US dollars, and also it almost produces around 150 to 151 megawatt of power. So in this power plant, how much energy is produced per year? So likely the total power capacity is 150 megawatt, and per year energy produces 1.37 into 10 power 12 kilojoules. So in terms of kilowatt hour, it is likely 3.83 into 10 power 8 kilowatt hour. Say the plant is, our assumption is the plant is operating around 7 hours daily on a basis. Per year around 300 working days sunlight available, right? Upon say by comparison, upon complete one combustion, 1 ton of coal would release how much amount of energy? It is almost 4,572 kilowatt hour worth of energy which will produce. That is 1 ton of fuel or coal. Say if in order to produce 150 megawatt of power, it requires 80,590 tons is almost required to produce 150 megawatt of power, right? So based on that, so we know that 1 ton coal is equal to how much amount of energy CO2 is produced. So 1 ton of coal will produce 2.86 ton of carbon dioxide, and upon manufacturing 150 megawatt of power, it should almost produce 2,30,970 tons of CO2 would have been released. So which is very high. So in order to avoid that, if you are implementing the green energy sources like solar PV panel, windmill, we can minimize the CO2 level. it also minimize the global warming temperature also. That is the main concern about that project. So in this case study we are going to incorporate with the design thinking. In design thinking we have 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. In empathize part, so we have gone through the basics of solar panel, and then what are the difficulties in the cold while producing the energy. We have gathered the information, right? So that is in the empathy part. After that we have to define how we can rectify the problem. That is, we need to minimize the CO2 level, right? Global warming temperature, that is our main objective. So that is comes under define. Next, ideate. What are the alternative options available to generate the power? That is, I already told you, there is green energies like windmill, solar, hydroelectric power plant are also one of the sources. We have to look into that way, right? That is comes under ideate. Next, prototype. Based on the place, so we have to design and develop the model. Say why we have developed the solar PV 800 acres, because that land is uncultivated land, right, which is no use for cultivating purpose, right? So we can utilize that land to produce energy. That is the objective. So I hope you have understand the case study on in this topic, and then we incorporate the design thinking also. Thank you.